boys na mina encourage me fully involved in this program. Na within this time frame, we got boys we got culture. No one thing was my finally boys was a start now. Some of the little boys and girls start to go. God's church is not a settlement; it's a movement. So despite the absence of Biblia must always move far. It's a movement. So we enhance the gospel commissioner. We will go and we will start back, or voice will start back, and we will continue to sing. You will continue lighting the fire of missionaries. Time your voice will go, and then we will go as a missionaries group will start. I'm kind of saying, you will go around, go and one of the mountain, and we will come back and house, and look in the house and fire the star with my master, and come down house to you. One guy was saying, you go around, come back. We look was a missionaries group of staff and still exist. Your voice is still activated, and we will come back and we will mass. No, start with the group. So, voice me. Keeping fire burning. Or boys you sing me continue to sing. You may move once again. Thank you. That was an encouragement and public at the end of the year, but within this really time frame where we block outside the room and like your question. You may continue to keeping fire by just burning. Well, in Islam, I think now finally some got to total make it to show. Thank you, boys. Global and last time, thank you. You may continue to maintain unity, you work and thank you, sir. That's all.